how to manually set up the notification tone on an iPhone. Let me show you how it works. So let's get started. And if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. At first, I would go to the settings and make sure you run the latest version of iOS, which is at least iOS 26, but it might be also showing you the later versions. But the iOS 26 came with the option to add custom sounds for ringtones and notifications. So let's say I have my own MP3 file in the Files app somewhere, right? I can hold down on it and click on share, which gives me the ability to tap on more and use it as a ringtone, right? So it's not for the notification tone just yet. That's fine. We're going to select to use it as a ringtone, which is fine. You know, it only works for files which are under 30 seconds, so you should keep that in mind. But you can choose it to be your ringtone, all good. Then it likely gives you the confirmation that it's done. So we then go to the settings app, find the sounds and haptics, and there you can see the ringtone, which is likely added. But you then can also change it for different places as well. For example, the text tone, which is when you get a message, you're going to tap on it, and at the bottom, you can see the ringtones. So it will also let you access the ringtones that we added, right? So the file we added for the ringtone can also be used for the text message notification. Or if you want to set it up generally, you also have the default alerts, and you can literally change that to also access the same ringtone and choose it for like generally any kind of notification. And so that is how you can manually set up the notification sound on an iPhone. The only issue is, or the problem is, to have the file ready in the Files app, right? But you can also use voice recorder and perhaps record your own stuff, whatever. But that is the process of how it works. So let me know if you managed to find it and if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos as well.